On the last video, we have learned about the EMA, exponential moving average. In this video, we are going to understand what is a super trend and how we can combine super trend and EMA both in one chart to get a perfect entry. First of all, we need to click on studies. We need to write over here super trend, as you can see over here. And when I click that, you can see this one is default super trend. Okay, but we don't want this default one. I have to change the value, so I will click on again studies. I will click on super trend, and the period should be 12. Okay, all things will be same. Okay, and we need to click on done. So as you can see over here, now these are the super trend signals. Basically, why we are going to use super trend? We are going to use this super trend because we want to understand what is the trend of bank nifty or nifty. Okay, because we always do trade for a trend. Okay, whatever be the trend of nifty, we will only find the opportunity of according to the trend. So can you see over here, it is very simple to understand. This, can you see, this is green, right? This is green. Okay, green means an uptrend. Okay, green means an uptrend. Okay, it means that stock will go up. Okay, now you can see over here, this is red. Red means a downtrend. It means sell. Okay, means down. So it is very simple to understand about the super trend. Okay, time frame will be 5 minutes. Green represent as a uptrend and red represent the downtrend. Okay, now we are going to combine EMA, moving average. Okay, so I will type MA, which is, I will type moving average. I will change type to exponential, and I will click it done. Okay, now it is okay. So what we are going to do, now we have two indicators. We have a super trend, we have a moving average. Okay, now we have to understand that what will be the perfect entry. What will be the perfect entry? Okay, for perfect entry you need to understand, see over here, this is an downtrend. Okay, this is an downtrend. So here I will only take the sell entry. Why? Because the trend is a downtrend. So I will ignore every buy opportunity in this area. Which area? Can you see over here? This is the area, right? This is a downtrend area. Okay. Now, can you see over here? Here the trend was started. Okay. Now see, this was the touch movement. Okay. This was the confirmation candle. Okay. This was the buy entry. Okay, but can you see the trend? Trend is for downtrend. So how we can go for buy? So I will not, so I will not use this signal for trade. Okay, Can you see over here? This is a body touch movement. This is a body touch movement. This is closing above the line, sorry, below the line, right? This is the confirmation candle below the line. Okay, if I am going to zoom, you can see very carefully. Okay, let me remove all the things. Okay, now can you see this? This is the touch movement. This is the closing below the line. This is the sell entry. And if we will go for sell, we can make the money. Okay, so using the super trend, we avoid this entry. We avoid this entry because we know the trend is for downtrend. So I will focus on sell entry. Okay, let's check one another. Can you see over here? For this reason, first of all, I will see that the trend is for an uptrend. Okay, the trend is uptrend for buy. Okay, so I will ignore all the sell entry. I will ignore all the sell entry. Okay, so this is the touch candle. Okay, this is a touch candle. This is the confirmation candle. Here I have to sell, but we can see here is a buy super trend. So I will ignore this trade. I will ignore this trade. Now can you see this is a touch movement. Again, this is a touch movement. This is a closing above this line. Here I will take the entry and we will write the trend and we will write the trend. So this is the combination of super trend and EMA, which is 50 EMA. Okay, still we can get fake signals. Okay, now we will not get too many fake signals, only one or two or three fake signals, but that will be in the market of uh, when there will be a range bound market, then we will get some fake signals. But still I am going to add one more indicator over here. So on the next video you will understand about the combination of RSI with super trend and exponential moving average.